So I hope you liked my earlier video. This next one deals with another way to store things. I was running out of storage space as plants now occupy most of the house. So I decided to make use of the vertical space, which we generally tend to ignore. So let's get started. Again, if you're watching this on Instagram, you can check the complete video on YouTube. Now, this is not a novel design, and you may have seen its iterations made by many. Mine would just add to the list. The difference would always be that I use upscale pine with pretty grains and not MDF or ply. The entire project is built out of 90 mm wide planks of 18 mm thickness. These are the planks I generally get. This time I decided to use dowels to join the planks. I made a contraption that helped me drill perpendicular holes for the dowels to go in. I got the dowels at a local art supply store at walking distance, but it was expensive, so I decided to order the remaining online all the way 4,000 kilometers from China, since that was cheaper somehow. Then I got the joint wood plane to make the joinery invisible and then sanded several times over to make it super smooth to touch. I used the black walnut stainer as per my client's request. I drilled the poles of the ladder to the rung as per the measurements. Sadly, that part of the video went missing. Sorry about that. I'll surely shoot it again when I make it next. Marking the joinery was the next big step. Here you can see me arranging the pieces together, how they would go when finished. I then cut the poles or legs of the ladder according to the lean angle and then sand it, stain it and polish it. And that's about it. My client wanted a 3-rung ladder, so this is what you see. The one in the next post is a 5-rung ladder without the walnut stain. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.